Hello, my name's Ferd Brown, and in this video we're going to discuss the iRepeater. The iRepeater is a multi-operator cellular repeater that amplifies 6 of the EU mobile frequencies. The iRepeater amplifies all services, 5G, 4G, 3G and even 2G for voice and data. This is a multi-operator iRepeater, and that means that all operators are amplified inside the building. That means that the general public, no matter what operator they are with, they will be able to receive their signal. So with the iRepeater, you can manage, monitor and remotely configure the device. And this means that after the installation, perhaps 6 months afterwards, you can log in and check the status of all the bands, make sure that the iRepeater is performing optimally, and even reconfigure the device in case there's any issues. So let's take a look at the LCD screen now. So I have the iRepeater here, and if we take a look at the LCD screen here, here's the signal strength meter here on the left hand side. The blue LED means the band is active or not, and on the right hand side I've got the status of each band. I press the menu and I go to the toggle bands page. Here I can turn on and off any band or add attenuation to any band. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, have a great day and look forward to seeing you in the next one.